Hi, boys and girls. It's time for science. I'm gonna get a mad scientist room. Budget's got about $1 in it right now, so once it gets a little bigger, I crack myself up. Okay, all right. Today's science is called moving water. I just made that up in my head because I don't know what it's actually called. What a roll. Okay, so here's the science experiment. We are actually going to try to move water. You all, I know you, my sweet little friends. Today's science experiment is going to have patience. What? You're gonna have to wait a little bit on time. You're not gonna get instant results, okay? It's gonna take a little bit of time. So we're actually gonna have some time lapse in here. Watch, come back, okay? Because it's not gonna happen right away. Just letting you know. Okay? So let's at least get started. We'll come back, and then we'll come back, then we'll come back. And hopefully we have results. I've never done it. Again, first time, so hopefully it works. We've seen this before, so we'll try. Let's see. Okay, you need 5 clear glasses. You can use plastic or glass. I use glass. Ask mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, auntie, uncle, dog, kitty, what they prefer. If you have plastic, I would suggest that. Definitely use on a countertop or somewhere in case spillage happens. You want to have your glasses so far apart. I already have mine filled, and you want them clear so you can see the results. And I already put my food coloring in. I put about 4 to 6 drops in there so that you have nice dark colors, and I stirred pretty well, okay? You want to have yellow, blue, and red, and you want them to be in this order. There's a reason you want them to be in this order. So you want to have yellow, blue, and red. And the pattern, you have a pattern here. Does anybody know what the pattern is? Good. Full, empty, full, empty, full. So you want to have a full glass, an empty glass, a full glass, an empty glass, a full glass. And then you want to have yellow, empty, blue, empty, red, okay? The reason for that is because the yellow and the blue are going to go into here and make a new color, and then the blue and the red are going to go into here and make a new color, hopefully. But that's the waters are going to move into these glasses and make new colors, hopefully. The next thing you need is 5 pieces of, I almost said construction paper towel. I have the nice paper towels that tear up into these kind of nice little quarter pieces. But if you don't have that, that's okay. Just, do it however. But you want to, I'll stay down here. You want to just have nice little thin strips. You don't want to make it too thick, because I think if you make it too thick, then the water won't transfer. Good science vocabulary word, transfer, which means move from one thing to the another. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to fold these over 5 times. Almost there. 3. And they're kind of unfolding themselves. As you can see, there's the weather. And one more. Okay. Now, next thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it nice and well. See how I'm kind of making a good crease in it? And you're going to bend it like a rainbow and dip it into the wet side and the empty side, and just kind of let it bend over like rainbow style. Then you're gonna get your next strip. You're gonna do the same thing. Make sure you got a nice good fold in it. Bend it rainbow style. And put it over. Make sure you got enough in the water side and enough in the empty side. Then you're gonna do the same thing. Okay. Make sure you want to try to get as close to the bottom as you can on the empty side, so when it transfers it. All right, and you actually end up only needing 4 pieces. I overcounted, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. All right. I'm gonna pull this one a little just so we can get closer to the bottom. All right, we'll see how it goes. Okay. Now we wait. And we'll check back in a half hour, okay? Half hour, we'll see what happens. All right, see you in 30 minutes. Bye. All right, quick update. About 45 minutes later, I gave it a little extra time. 2 things. I pushed my glasses a little closer so that the paper towels can get closer to the bottom. And we have some movement. As you can notice, the yellow significantly a lot, which means a lot, went into the paper towel and is getting to the bottom of the glass. And the blue is starting to move and the red's starting to move. So we definitely are having some movement, which is awesome. So we'll check in about, I would say about an hour, okay? We'll do it again in about an hour. So it's been almost an hour since we started. So we'll check again in an hour. So it takes a little bit. All right, we'll check in again. Bye. Okay, so 2 hours in, and we're having super major progress with yellow, as you can tell. The water is definitely transferring. Blue on this side is doing fairly well. Blue on this side is starting to do better. We're definitely getting a little bit. Red is doing okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 things. One, I'm going to add just a little more dye. So I added 3 dots of dye there to see if that helps. I'm gonna stir it up just gently. I'm gonna rinse that so it doesn't mix the colors. And then I'm gonna add a couple drops of dye here. 3. That's 1 and couple. Couple means 2. I did 3. Movie magic. It's already rinsed. Ooh, nice and deep there. Okay. And then I'm actually going to pause for 1 second and I'll be right back. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. So I may end up adding some more dye. Add just a little more water. Let's see if that helps. Notice I'm not adding water to my empty cups, just to my... I'm gonna do 3 more drops.
Oh, that's nothing for it, that's fine. There we go. Do yellow since I added more water to that one. Remember, when you're doing an experiment, you get to do however you want to see how best it works. Alright, so I add more to that one. Add more to that one. The reason I'm rinsing off each time is so I don't mix the colors. Okay. I might add just a little more yellow and a little more red. The reason I'm making them so dark is so then that way, when they it'll help them transfer the color a little more. If you're trying to transfer the color, ooh, that looks better. Let's make red just a little darker. And then I think we'll be good to let it set for a little bit longer. Yeah, that looks good.
And now I'm gonna just let it rest. and see what happens in, let's say, an hour. That'll be 3 hours that we have let it rest. So we added more water and more dye to see what happens. I think that's good. I think that helps the project a little bit. And I think that's okay because, you know, it's an experiment. We're experimenting. That's the whole point of an experiment, is to keep trying. There is water coming in here, so I think now that we've added more dye, that'll help transfer the color. We're transferring water, but we're not transferring the color. So let's try to get the color to go in there too. All right, see you in an hour. Bye. 1 hour later. Oh my goodness, do we have some progress or do we have some progress? Yellow and blue make green. Isn't that cool? And we actually have a little yellow over here because they're not mixing together, but that's cool. And then a little blue over on this side. That's cool. But in the middle, it's green, and that's what color yellow and blue make. Now this one, we got a little pink going. Definitely water transfer, which is cool. But blue and red actually make purple. So the red is transferring perfectly. The blue is not coming over as much, the blue color. So we're going to give it probably another hour and see what happens. We're just going to keep giving it some time. We have no rush, and see what happens, okay? So we'll give it another hour and come back and see what happens. All right, see you then. Bye. Okay, almost 4 hours to the dot. So we started at 8 o'clock. It's about noon, and look, it worked. So we had to add some water, we had to add some food coloring at times, but it worked. So you may have to play with it, but try it out, and it works. So kind of purplish, but definitely change colors, which is good. So we started with red, had blue and yellow, then we got green and purple mixed. So cool, but look how full this cup, which was empty, got just from a transfer of paper towels. Isn't that amazing? Amazing. Amazing. Just amazing to me. So this science experiment, transferring water. I don't even remember what I called it before. Water to water? I don't know. I don't know what I called it. What do you think, Reese? What do you think? I think it's amazing. But you can't drink it. Okay. So this science experiment brought to you by Reese and Mr. McD. Whoa! Whoa! Till next time. See you then. Oh, send pictures if you do it, or videos. I want to see what yours looks like.